All right, y'all, so I just picked up the new trans. As you can see, it's back there. It's a stage 1 from Black Shepherd Auto. It has extra clutch packs in it, so it should be able to handle all the power I'm pushing with that, and even with the towing. I'm about to head back home right now and get this thing put in. All right, so I'm about to get this truck on the rollback and then go take it to the shop and start working on it. So I got it on, as y'all can see. Just put the straps on and I'm on my way back. What you doing over there, buddy? That shit broke.
I got this bolt started, I think. Alright, basically now you just gotta push that bitch. Let it down. Oh my god. Let it down?
Let it down
Are you
ahead.
serious? Hold on.
All right, y'all, so I'm pretty much done with the truck. As you can see, everything's already back in. I just need to put my torque, the cover for the where the torque converter is, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so I just got this side out, and as you can see, valve cover's off. Just basically the same thing as the same side as the other side. You take off the bottom injector hold down bolt and the old deflector bolt, and then you take the glow plugs out, leave them out, put the new injectors in, torque them down, and then put the valve cover on, crank the motor, and leave it unplugged while you're doing that, so it shoots the fuel back out of the cylinder that has dropped back in. Yeah. as y'all can see, the truck's back together. It's running and all. The valve covers are back on. The power steering is not leaking anymore, as y'all can see. And the airbox, I just don't have it on right now. I have it in the truck. I wanted to drive it real bad, so I just threw the filter on, and I'm gonna put that on soon. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And stay tuned for the other upgrades I'm gonna be doing to it. This is just part 1 for the injectors and the trans, and other stuff are coming to the truck in this $10,000 build.